Hello YouTube and welcome to episode 8 of this Discord.js programming series, and in this episode we're going to be making the Blacklist command using VultrexDB. So you can install VultrexDB using npm vultrex.db. You will need to install SQLite with it as well, unless you're using MongoDB. So once all that's installed, we can then move on to our index.js. If you want to see how to set up the database, you're going to need to watch episode 7, which is the custom prefix video. And then you can see what I've done in index.js. So we're going to want to make this .then function async, and then we could do client. Then underneath here we can do client.blacklist equals await db.get, and then use the key blacklist, otherwise return an empty array. And now we've done that part, we can go into our message.js. Then we can do if client.blacklist.includes message.author.id return, and then that's their blacklist kicking in. And now we can go on to the commands and make a blacklist command. So blacklist.js module.exports.run, and this one's going to be an async one again. Client message args module.exports.help name blacklist description blacklist or unblacklist a user from your bot. Then we could do module.exports.requirements for our permissions. This one you might want to make it owner only, so you don't want some randos blacklisting people from your own bot. And then the user permissions none, and the client permissions none. Then we can do module.exports.limits for our rate limits from episode 3. Now it's an owner command, just go crazy with it, to be honest. Right, now we want to do if there is no arg0. No, actually we could just do const user equals message.mentions.users.first or await client.users.fetch args0.catch and null. Then if there's no user, return message.reply you must provide a user to blacklist or unblacklist. Now if blacklist.includes user.id, and then do else. So if blacklist.includes user.id, then obviously you're going to want to remove them from the blacklist. So we can do this by doing client.blacklist.splice client.blacklist.indexOf user.id. Then you can do a message.reply successfully removed user.tag from the blacklist. And then if they're going to add them to the blacklist, it's to simply client.blacklist.push user.id, and then message.reply successfully added user.tag to the blacklist. And then we'll want to set it in the database, the new blacklist array, so we'll do await client.db.set, the key is blacklist, and then we'll put client.blacklist inside of it. And then basically what we've done here from the last time I made this video, instead of making a database call on every single message, it's all cached now, so it'll be much faster. So before we forget, I just need to add client.here, and now we are ready to test the bot. Okay, so now we're in the testing area. Gavin, the prefix is a comma now. If you could just run the help command, thank you. And then if I could just blacklist you, can you try the help command again? As you can see, it does not work for him and he's very mad now. So what we're going to do now, let's try it with his ID, just to show you that works as well. It's removed him and he should now be able to run the command again. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in episode 9 with the XP system.